presentation to present a presentation on the project given by British Council project Apex Bank of Country. In this present we discuss about the monetary policy of different countries. Now, what is the meaning of monetary policy? Monetary policy refers to the steps taken by the RBI to regulate the cost and supply of money, credit in order to achieve the social economic object of the economy. Monetary policy refers to the steps taken by the RBI to maintain the economic condition of the country, which helps in future from the uncertainty by cost by any inflation during this period. Now the country UK is defined by the
In 1997, Bank of England becomes independent and had given responsibility of monetary policy to the Monetary Policy Committee (MPC). MPC meets every month to settle rate of interest, and there is also drafting monthly minutes, meeting and quarterly meeting for forecast.
Thank you for giving me a wonderful chance. So I am explaining you about USA. Central Government of USA. The federal is the central bank of the United States. And this clearly explains that the Federal Reserve is the central bank of United States. A central bank is the government agency that oversees the banking system and is responsible for the amount of money and credit in the economy. You can see this statement. It clearly defines the meaning of central bank. No, it's not a meaning about the central bank. What are the Federal Reserve's and responsibilities? To regulate bank holding companies and state characters bank, to supply money and credit to the economy, to maintain stable prices and full employment, to ensure the smooth functioning of payment system, to act as the government of bank. The main function of the federal bank is given here. Let me elaborate you. The federal bank regulate the economy of the USA. This is the structure of Federal Reserve. You can note in this in your copies. Okay, I will give you time later. This is China monetary policy, and for this, my friend Avinash will explain you.
Thank you, Shivam. Now I am going to tell you about the China monetary policy. Here you can see that China current macroeconomic phenomena. There is a graph. Huge foreign exchange reserve. By March of 2011, China has built up more than $3 trillion foreign exchange reserve. The ratio to GDP is more than 40%. Here you can see that the graph of China foreign exchange reserve. Now here the high inflation rate in China between 2006 and 2008. That is before financial crisis bursting out in Wall Street. China facing high inflation rate, assets bubble. The easing monetary policy and the fiscal stimulating policy gives rise to the emergence of high inflation rate in 2010. And in 2008, the high inflation rate in China was 8.7%. In March of 2011, the inflation rate was 5.4%. Here you can see that in 2008, the inflation rate of China was 8.7%, and in March 2011, the inflation rate decreased up to 5.4%. Used to in surplus in the balance of payment. Trade surplus of China 2005 exceed $100 billion. 2006 reached $177 billion. 2007 plus $260 billion. 2008 approached 300. 2009 and 2010 about $200 billion. Surplus in the current account increased from $20.5 billion and 2000 to $305.4 billion in 2010. Surplus in the capital account increased from $1.922 billion in 2000 and to $226 billion in 2010, increased by 100 times. It is a surplus of balance of payment of country China. huge money supply. Here you can see about the point is huge money supply. First point, the growth of the money supply in China has been more than 17% yearly for last 2 decades. Especially in 2009 and 2010, the growth rates of the money supply were above 29% yearly. It is crazy monetary policy. The value of money supply is 1.5 times of the value of GDP of China each year for the last 2 decades. In 2010, the total money supply in China is larger than that of the United States, but the total GDP of the America is more than 2 times of China's. Mechanisms of monetary policy in China. You can write this point on your copies. Outlook of monetary policy and foreign exchange rate policy. You can say that monetary policy under this system, hiking up interest rates and the bank reserve ratio would be the main gun for the Central Bank of China to fight the high inflation rate. The situation would exist until China totally reform the foreign exchange system and advance the new economic structure.
I have a question. Can you explain about monetary policy, please? Monetary policy in your language.
In this monetary policy is stated by which a country decreases in its inflation rates and bank reserve ratio. Its main motto is to fight against high inflation rate and reduce it.
Thank you very much.
Can you please elaborate what is GDP?
GDP is the gross domestic product of a country. It is the amount of goods produced in a year.
Can you define high inflation rate more clearly?
Inflation rate is the countries when the prices are increasing in